In this video, we will review the process for registering and authenticating to PayPal using the Swissbit iShieldKey Pro over the FIDO U2F protocol. Log in to paypal.com with your username and password. If you already have MFA enabled, such as an authenticator app on a mobile device, perform that MFA step as usual. Access your account settings using the sprocket settings icon in the top right-hand corner. Then from the menu, select the security link. While the passkeys options seems to be the most obvious method to add a passkey to your iShieldKey, this feature is supported by password managers such as those built into iOS or Android devices. Therefore, this method is unavailable on a web browser. Select two-step verification to register your U2F authenticator. The authenticator app is my primary method. Therefore, under your backups, click Add a Device. Here, click Use a Security Key Device, then follow the prompts presented by your browser. Select Security Key, click Next, and then follow the consent prompts. Then insert your security key into the USB port. Note that NFC is also supported if you are on a mobile device with NFC support. You will not be prompted for a PIN, as U2F does not require user verification. Touch your security key, then provide a useful name so that you may identify this authentication method in the future. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the registration process. This may require you to click the Done button 2 times. Now we can review the process of using your iShieldKey as a U2F authenticator. At the login prompt, provide your username and password as normal. Then click the Try Another Way method. Select the option to use your security key, then click Continue. Follow the prompts. Perform user presence by touching the sensor on your iShieldKey. You may use your security key as a primary or secondary authenticator from any device. As always, Swissbit looks forward to assisting you on your passwordless journey.